Are you experiencing OneDrive sync issues and problems on Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. While Microsoft OneDrive service is among the best cloud service in the market, users at times may face problems when syncing their files. If you are facing OneDrive sync problems and issues on Windows 11 or 10, then this video shows some ways you can do about troubleshooting issues like OneDrive cannot connect to the server, OneDrive not syncing, unable to sync files between the desktop client and the cloud drive, the client not connecting, uploading photographs, etc. Let's get started. Method 1. Ensure that the size of the file is less than 10 GB. Files larger than 10 GB in size cannot be synced with OneDrive. If the size is more than 10 GB and syncing the file is necessary, you can create a zip folder. To do that, right-click the file or group of files and select Compress to then select Zip File. Method 2. Check for Windows updates. Check if the Windows is up to date. If not, update it. To do so, search for Check for Updates on the Windows search bar and open Windows Update. Now, install any pending updates. Method 3. Restart the sync process if it is paused. Right-click on the white icon for OneDrive Cloud in the notification area at the right bottom corner of the screen. If the icon doesn't appear there, you might need to click the upward pointing arrow after which the icon could appear. If it still doesn't appear, then the OneDrive client might not be running. You can close the window. Search for OneDrive using Windows Search and open it. Enter your cloud credentials if required and connect to OneDrive for cloud. It will resync all the files. Method 4. Connect the OneDrive account to Windows. Go to Start and click the gear-like symbol that would open the settings page. Click on Accounts and then select the option Email and Accounts. You would find an option to add account. Keep clicking Next through the prompts and add the account accordingly. Method 5. Complete setting up of OneDrive. If you have more than 500 MB of data in your OneDrive folder and the setup has not yet been finished, it might not show all your files despite the status being signed in. To resolve this, open File Explorer, click the OneDrive folder. If the setup is not completed, you will see a prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. During the setup, ensure you check all the folders you want to sync. If you do not find this option, move on to the next method. Method 6. Verify that all the folders you wanted to sync are selected. To do this, right-click the drive icon in the system tray. Then select Settings, then Account, then choose Folders. Check Folders to sync or select Make all files available. Click OK. For more details, you can follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.